Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth lecture of network graph theory. In this lecture, we will see the cut set matrix and fundamental cut set matrix. So let's start with here cut set first. So first of all, what do you mean by cut set? Once you get here the cut set, you can easily go with the cut set matrix. Cut understand, we have to cut the graph, and set means the number of branches which will cut. So a cut set is a minimal set. Minimum number of branches should be cut. Okay, a cut set is a minimal set of branches of a connected graph. So let's consider this is a connected graph. So here when we do the C1 cut, okay, so we will have the minimal set of branches of this connected graph. We have to cut it. Okay, so a cut set is a minimal set of branches of a connected graph G such that the removal of these branches from the graph, from this G graph, reduces the rank of G by 1. What here? When we cut the graph in such a way that the rank of this graph will be reduced by 1. So a cut set is a minimal set of branches which will be cut. Or when we cut the branches, that means we have to remove that branches. So if we say that we are going for cut C1. So when we do the cut C1, so it will have the branches 1, 4 and 5. So minimal set of branches are here 1, 4 and 5. So when you cut these branches, we have to remove it. That is the meaning of cut. When we cut the branches, we have to remove that branches from a graph. So when we do this cut C1, what we get? We get here, we will just remove here the branches 1, 5 and 4. So we will have the graph will cut and has two parts. The first part that will have a single node, and second part that will have the node 2, 3 and 4. Now, what do you mean by rank is reduced by 1? So the rank of your main graph or the rank of given graph is nothing but number of node minus 1. So here how many of nodes are given? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of node 4 minus 1, that equals to 3. Okay. Now when we cut the graph, we got here two parts. First part is having a node 1 single node, and second part or second subgraph we are having node 2, 3, 4 with branches 2, 3 and 6. So the rank of first subgraph is number of node is only 1. So 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. And the rank of this second subgraph is having how many of nodes? 3. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So when we add the rank of both the graph, that means 2, and here the first graph having a rank, first subgraph having a rank is 0. So 2 plus 0, that is 2. Original graph having a rank is 3. The addition of two subgraph, their rank is 2. It means the rank is reduced by 1. So this is the first thing. Second, the cut set is a minimal set of branches. Minimum branches should cut of the graph, removal of which, the removal of this minimal set of branches which cuts the graph into two parts, which already done. So when we remove these branches 1, 4 and 5, so it will divide in the two parts. The first part is having only one node, second part is having that node 2, 3 and 4. Third point, it separates the nodes of the graph into two groups, each being in one of the two parts. So here total number of nodes are 4. So these 4 nodes are divided into two groups. First group having only one node, second group is having 3 nodes. So what is cut set? Cut set is a minimal set of branches where when we remove these branches, the rank of graph will be reduced by 1. This is the first thing. Second thing, when we cut the graph or when we remove this minimal set of branches, the graph will have two parts. It divides in two parts, two subgraph or two proper subgraph also we can say, where this it separates the nodes of the graph. That means if we are having, say that the main graph having 4 nodes, so after doing the cut of this graph, these nodes are divided in two groups. It may be having the group of 1 node and group of 3, or it may be group of 2 and 2, whatever that, it depends on your cut. So this is cut set. So if we are having this graph, so how many of cut set are possible? So look at here. Cut the following graph in such way that it reduces the rank of graph. At every cut, it will reduce the rank of graph. This is the very important criteria for the cut set. So if we are having, this is a main graph and we are having that cut C1. So we have to remove the branches is 1, 4 and 5. So we got it. So the rank of this is 0. The rank of second subgraph is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So rank is reduced by 1. The rank of main graph is 3. So this is a proper cut, we can say. What here second cut can be possible? Second cut may be C2, where 2, 5 and 6 can be cut. These branches can be removed. So we got this. So it has again 0. The rank of this graph is 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So again that rank of graph is reduced by 1. Can we have the third cut, where we can remove that 3, 4 and 6 branches? So we got 3, 4 and 6 branches are removed and we got this. So the rank is again here that 0, it is 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2. The rank is reduced by 1. Can we have another cut? Yes. Where we can cut the branches as, or we can remove the branches as 1, 2 and 3. So when we remove that 1, 2, 3, we got the two subgraphs as it has the first part is having only node is 2 and second is having that 1, 3 and 4. So this is a minimal set of branches where we can cut. If you say that we want to cut here with this, we want to cut here. So branch number 5 is also deleted. So branch number 5 is also removed. So where we will have that 1, 4, 3. The rank is same. Rank is 2. So there is no need to cut that branch 5. So there is a minimal cut. 1, 2 and 3. Minimum number of branches we can cut and we achieve the same thing. So there is no need to cut branch 5. So that's why we have to also go with that minimal cut of the branches. Okay. Can we have another cut is possible? Yes. How it is? C5. When we do this cut, that means we want to we are removing here branch 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how your graph will look like? If we remove that branch 2, 3, 4 and 5, so we are having that the branch 1 and branch 6 is remaining. What the rank of this graph? N minus 1, number of node are 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Here number of node are 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So addition of these two rank, we are getting that 1 plus 1 is 2. So rank is reduced by 1. We achieve it. Can we have another cut? Yes, say 6. Where we can remove that 1, 3, 6 and 5 branch. So how it look like? It will have that branch 2 and branch 4. So the rank is 1 here. Here its rank is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So again it is reduced the rank by 1. Can we have another cut? Yes. This is the another cut. Where we remove the branches are 4, 1, 2 and 6. 4, 1, 2 and 6. So we divide the nodes in a group of 1, 3 and 2, 4. So having the branches are 5 and 3 like this. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 3. So rank is 1. Rank is 1. So 1 plus 1. That is 2. So rank is reduced by 1. So you may find you have that the number of cuts. Okay. But the condition is that rank is reduced by 1. The nodes are divided in a group and the graph will cut in two we can say that is proper subgraph. Okay. So this is cut. So once we understand the cut set, then after that we can easily go with that cut set matrix. So cut set matrix. So this we have seen. So cut set matrix, what the cut set matrix is? Cut set matrix is the matrix between, cut set is a rectangular matrix, the matrix between number of branches as a column and C the number of possible cut. So it has the rows and columns, each matrix having the rows and columns. So rows are number of possible cut sets, columns are number of branches, and what the elements we can write here, their value. So the values either we can write as +1, -1 or 0. So here we have to consider the cut directions, the orientation for cut, whether it is going away from the node or going toward the node. So it depends on it, we can take at +1, -1 and 0. So the branches which are coincided with cut set, that means having the same directions. If the branches and cut set are going away from the node, that means same directions, so we can take it +1. If the branches is going away from the node and cut set is going towards the node, that means it has opposite directions, so we have to take it -1. And the branches which are not cut, which are not coincided of cut, which are not the part of your cut set, so that branches we have to take it 0. So let's do here the cut set matrix. So obtain the cut set matrix QA for the given graph. So consider the graph is given here. So what the cut set matrix? Cut set matrix is the matrix between number of branches to the number of cut sets. So as already we have seen, the possible number of cut sets are 7. So how we can write their cut sets are? So if we are having a cut set C1, so consider their orientation. So we can assume the orientations, whatever that, whether it is going away from the node 1 or going towards the node 1. So let's consider it is away from the node 1. So what are the branches are cut here for cut C1? So it has that 1, 5 and 4. Branch 1 is going away from the node 1. Cut is also going away from the node 1. So both are coincided. That's why it should be taken as +1 value in matrix element. Where the branch 4 is going to the node, cut is going away from the nodes. That's why we have to take it -4. Again another branch will cut, that is branch 5. So branch 5 is going away from the node, cut set is, or that cut is having also the same direction 5, so that's why we have to take it +1. So what the elements we are getting here, the branch 1 will cut C1 and having same direction, branch 2 is not going to cut, so 0, branch 3 is not going to cut, 0, branch 4 is going to cut, that is, and it is in opposite direction of cut, it is going to the node and cut is going away from the node, so that's why -1. Branch 5 is cut and both are having same direction, and branch 6 is 0. In the same way we can go for that cut 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So second cut set, so the number of branches are cut here 2, 5, 6. Okay, so cut set 2 having that matrix elements are, branch 1 is not going to cut, so 0, branch 2 is going to cut, and cut set and branch 2 is having the same directions going to the node, branch 3 0 is not going to cut, branch 4 is not going to cut, branch 5 is having the same direction as of your cut set, as of your cut C2, so 1, branch 6 is going away from the node where cut is going to the node, so that's why -1. In the same way we may go for another cut. So cut set 3, consider that the cut is going to the node 4. So the branches which are cut here 3, 4, 6. So what are the elements we can write as? Branch 1 is not going to cut, so 0. Branch 2 is not going to cut, so 0. Branch 3 is going to cut and having same direction or same orientation as cut, so +1. Branch 4 is going to cut, but it is going away from the node 4 where cut is going to the node, so -1. Branch 5 is not going to cut, branch 6 and cut having same direction, so it is 1. We may have another cut. that is cut C4, and let's take that orientation is going away from the node 2. So what are the branches will cut? 1, 2 and 3. So C4 having the element is branch 1 is going to the node where cut is going away from the node, so that's why -1, opposite direction. Branch 2 and cut is having same direction, going away from the node, so +1. Branch 3 and cut having same direction, so going away. Branch 4 is not going to cut, branch 5 not going to cut, branch 6 not going to cut. Then we may have another cut, C5. So let's consider that orientation is going away from node 1 and node 2. Note here, it has that two nodes, group of two nodes. So both, that means the cut is going away from both the nodes. So what are the branches which are going away from either node 1 or either node 2? That will consider as in same direction. So what are the branches will cut here? 2, 3, 4 and 5. So out of that 2, 3 and 5 are going away from either node 1 or node 2. So that's why it's plus. And branch 4 is going towards node 1 and cut is going away from the node, so that's why -1. Let's take the elements. C5, branch 1 is going to cut? No. Branch 2 is going to cut? Yes. And it is going away from the node 2, cut is also going away from the node 2. Branch 3 is cut, and this branch is going away from the node 2, cut is also going away from the node 2, so plus. Branch 4 is cut, but it is going to the node 1, cut is opposite to it, so it is -1. And branch 5 is cut, which is going away from the node 1, cut is also going away from the node 1, so that's why plus. And branch 6 is 0. In the same way we can go with that another cut, C6, that consider going away from the node 1 and 4. So the branches are cut here 1, 3, 5 and 6. What are the elements? We can write as branch 1 is going to cut and going away from the node 1, +1, that's why we are taking it. Branch 2 is not going to cut. Branch 3 is going to the node 4, it is opposite to cut C6, so it is -1. Branch 4 is not going to cut, so 0. Branch 5 is going to cut and having same direction as of your C6, so 1. And branch 6 is also having branch 6 is opposite to that cut, so that's why -1. We may have the last cut, C7, which will cut 1, 2, 4 and 6 branches. 1, 2, 4 and 6. Out of that 2 and 4 are opposite to the cut, and that's why it is minus. C7 we are having 1 having same direction, 2 is having opposite direction, -1. 3 is not going to cut, 0. 4 is having opposite direction, 5 is not going to cut, and 6, branch 6 also having, it is going away from the node 3, cut is also going away from the node 3, so it has same direction. So we are having that these 7 cut and number of branches are 6, so size of this matrix is 7 by 6. Now when we say that size is 7 by 6, so it is difficult to handle for your calculation whenever we are going to find branch voltage and branch current. As well as we can also say that the incidence matrix having the size is 4 by 6, number of nodes by number of branches. So here the cut set matrix having the size is greater than this, and cut set matrix is denoted by here QA. Okay, so that's why we should go with some another solution where the matrix will be easy for our calculation purpose. That means the size should be less, the matrix size should be less. So that's why we are going for that another cut set matrix, that is known as your fundamental cut set matrix. So what the fundamental cut set matrix is? So fundamental cut set matrix of graph is, the cut set matrix of graph is seen to have more rows than its complete incidence matrix. Complete incidence matrix having the number of rows are number of nodes, and where for the graph is it's 4. Hence comes the fundamental cut set matrix. That's why we are going with that fundamental cut set matrix. So fundamental cut set matrix is a rectangular matrix with number of branches as a column and number of rows as of your cuts, number of possible f cut set, we can say and f cut sets are equals to number of tweaks. the matrix elements we can consider as a +1, -1 and 0, as we have taken the same. If the direction of cut set and the branches are same, +1, then if it is opposite we have to take it -1, -1, and if the branches are not cut, here we are taking it 0. So we'll go with that F cut set. Obtain the F cut set matrix Q for the given graph. So first of all, you have to select a tree. When you are the steps here are given and we have to follow that steps, so we can easily find the F cut set matrix. So whenever we are going to find out F cut set matrix, the first thing we should note here, we have to select a tree. So the tree is selected as 1, 2, 3. You can select another tree also. So the branches of tree are known as twig. What are that other branches are remaining here? That are links. So we also keep that links. So links are here of dashed lines, and the twigs are of here black bold lines. Black solid lines is denoted here by for twigs. Second step. What second step is? Cut one twig at a time. Here you have to cut only one twig at a time with other link, because the thing is that when we cut the graph, so the basic principle is the rank should be reduced by 1. It should divide in that 2 subgraph, as well as the nodes are divided in 2 groups. So that's why we have to also cut the link also. It is not only twig, we have to also cut that link, but only one twig. Link may be more than one, link may be 2, 3 or more than one, depends on it. Like this, C1. So C1 cut will cut here the twig 1 with link 4 and 5. Okay. Then the orientation of this C1. In the previous case for cut set matrix, we are taking arbitrary. We are assuming anything, any orientations. Okay, either going towards node or going away from the node. But for this, especially for F cut set matrix, we have to take the direction of twig, the orientation of twig as the orientation of cut. So orientation of cut should be the direction of twig. So that's why we are taken as it is away from the node 1. So what the cuts we are getting here? C1, which cut the branches are 1, 4 and 5. Okay, where the branch 1 is a twig, and twig and cut is having the same direction, so that's why we are getting a positive 1. 4, branch 4 is also cut, that is link 4 is also cut, but it is going to the node and cut is going away from the node, so that's why we have taken it bar. Bar indicates for this the circuit elements value, the matrix elements value, we will take it -1. And 5, branch 5 is also going to cut, having the same direction as of cut, so for there the matrix element value will take as +1. Step 4, we have to form the matrix. We have to form the matrix between number of F cut set, number of possible F cut set, and how many of F cut sets are possible? The number of twigs and the branches of the graph. So number of branches are 6 with following node. The node is, if branches coincide with cut set in same direction, +1, opposite direction -1, and if the branches are not coincided, that means it is not going to cut, we have to take it 0. So here F cut set matrix Q can be formed between number of branches versus number of possible F cut set. Out of that we have taken the first cut set as C1. So C1 elements value are, branch 1 is cut and having same direction 1, branch 2 is not going to cut, branch 3 is not going to cut, branch 4 is going to cut but having opposite direction, so -1, branch 5 is going to cut and branch 6 is not going to cut. Can we do that another cut? How it is? We are also having that another twig, that is twig 2. So we can cut twig T2, sorry, twig 2. Follow the step 2. Cut one twig at a time, only one twig. So here only we cut twig 2 with other link, that 5 and 6. So C2, the direction is as same as the twig direction. So C2 will have that 2, 5 and 6 branches will cut. So we are getting that C2 cut elements are Branch 1 is not cut, so it's 0. Branch 2 is cut and having same direction as it is twig, so that's why it is 1. Branch 3 is not going to cut, so 0. Branch 4 is not going to cut, 0. Branch 5 is going to cut and having same direction going towards node 3, so that's why it is 1. Branch 6 is going away from the node, so that's why it's -1. And here the last cut is possible, that is C3, where C3 cut the twig 3 and had the cut set is 3, 4, 6. The orientation of this cut as same as the orientation of twig 3. The branches are cut here 3, 4, 6. So the matrix elements are for C3 is 0 for branch 1, as branch 1 is not going to cut. Branch 2 is not going to cut. Branch 3 and cut set are having same direction, so it is 1. Branch 4 going away from the node 4, so -1. Branch 5 is not going to cut, and branch 6, so branch 6 we find both are going, that means the direction of cut and the branch 6 direction having same, so it is 1. So we find here the size of matrix is 3/6. Why? Because number of possible F cut set are 3, as number of twigs are number of cut set, because one twig will cut at a time, so we find here only 3 cuts are possible, which is nothing but a F cut set matrix having the size is 3/6, which is less than the size of cut set matrix. Also from this observation you may find that 1, 2, 3 are the twig matrix, which is always a unity matrix, and 4, 5, 6 are link. Okay, so if we select the tree in such a way that the twig first and link later, so then there is no problems. But maybe the tree we will select as latter, so then that means we have to rearrange this F cut set matrix in the form of the twig first and link latter. And in case of tie set matrix, we have taken that link matrix first and twig matrix later, just to recall or just to remember that matrix, nothing else for it. So write F cut set matrix in the form of twig and link matrix. Arrange the F cut set matrix to have twig first and link later. So as already it is in the same order, so there is no need to reorder it, or there is no need to rearrange. So 1, 2, 3 as a twigs, 4, 5, 6 as a links. So we are getting the same matrix. Here the twig matrix is always the unity matrix. So your cut set matrix can be divided with, or can be, we can say that with two matrices. The one is twig matrix and second is link matrix. So twig matrix is always unity matrix and link matrix is always link matrix depends on the links orientation and the cut set orientation. So this is from F cut set matrix, as well as also we covered here the cut set matrix. So hope so you enjoy this video. Do watching and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.